To discuss about how to install Claude Code on Google Antigravity. So let's open there Antigravity, and this here you can see. So you need to go on this extension there. Let's search Claude. So Claude, and for this one net should be connected here. Click on this Anthropic and this number of download. Click on this install button. Trust and this here Claude Code for VS. This is now currently downloading. So this you need to get this package, then you can start using the Claude Code inside the Google Antigravity. So currently this is installing. Now this here, this install there, you need to click on this allow, and this here you can see this icon that's come there. So next you need to click on this open of this icon. There you need to go. So first closing this one, this is not required, and this here. So you can see here Claude AI subscription, Anthropic and Bedrock. So let's click on this Anthropic console. Click on this open. There you can click on this accept all. There you can do the so automatically this is detected the Google account. Here you can click on this individual organization, individual, and buy users credit card here. So here you can see almost time to build. Here you can get Claude console build workbench files agent this now. Here you can start building the Claude, get started. This all that's come there. Here you can generate the API key.